With Bitcoin above $55,000 and Shiba Inu pumping like crazy like we've never seen before, guys, I've got a lot to discuss with you in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Guys, we've seen a massive pump in Dogecoin, over 20% just within the last few days. Guys, why is this happening? It's very clear that it's because of the supply shock. The supply and demand is very high, and the supply shortage of Ethereum and Bitcoin is increasing, inevitably causing the rest of the cryptocurrency market to follow up along with them. Guys, the demand is starting to catch up, and that's why we see these prices continue to soar. Not only that, but historically around this time each year, we generally see the stock market tank a bit and then cryptocurrencies take off. With it decoupling from the stock market, it gives a lot more confidence to investors to believe in cryptos even more than the stock market. This is also happening because cryptocurrencies are often looked at as a hedge against inflation. As the US dollar keeps depreciating in value, people keep realizing the more they hold it, the more they keep putting it into the stock market, the more they're inevitably losing over time when they don't put it into cryptos. With it being decentralized, it's not controlled by a stock market, not controlled by a government that keeps depreciating it and keeps printing out more money every single day, and that's why people love it so much. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And guys, it wouldn't surprise me if we saw a massive crash in the stock market here very soon due to so much inflation. And inevitably, that would cause a lot of people, mass adoption, mass exodus, to come on over to cryptos. And you want to be sure to get in before this mass adoption happens. Because with billions of dollars quickly pouring into cryptos, you will see prices go up, hitting higher highs than you've ever seen before, possibly being too late to get in by then. Guys, you want to get in at the steep dips when I call them out, so there's only a short period of time before you see the desired profits that you can rake in. Guys, a huge article came out titled, "Bitcoin Beats Stocks, Commodities to Become Best Performing Asset of 2021. Bitcoin is up almost 50% this year overall, brushing aside corrections and increasingly decoupling from the macro environment in Q4. Guys, out of all the commodities that you could possibly invest in 2021, crypto has proven to be the best investment overall, and this includes gold. Guys, in this article, they're mostly talking about Bitcoin because it is the top crypto and most trusted by institutions. But guys, this is okay because we know when Bitcoin pumps, the rest of the crypto market follows up along with it, and that includes Dogecoin. And what's awesome is the fact that Dogecoin pumps more than Ethereum and Bitcoin whenever they pump, which means even when the big whales and institutions that are into Ethereum and Bitcoin pump and they make a lot of money, you've made more money being in Doge. Another article came out titled, "Bitcoin Taps 50K for the First Time in 1 Month. Amid heavy Bitcoin price volatility, markets are anything but calm as the bulls grapple for control of significant price points. Always hold with diamond hands, never sell for less than you bought in for, and never allow the FUD and fake news that the whales are putting out to scare you into selling. As long as you have that personal policy, you're going to make money. And this volatility is perfectly fine. It's what allows us to buy at the dips and then to sell at the peaks, because with every peak we always have a dip, and with every dip we always have a peak. So just have patience. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you see the prices going down, don't get scared and sell, because as long as you hold, and you hold with diamond hand, you will reap the profits in the long run. Another article came out titled, U.S. Bank launches Bitcoin custody service as institutions race to cater to crypto demand. U.S. Bank, the fifth biggest bank that's retail in the nation, is expected to announce that its cryptocurrency custody service is available to fund managers. The offering will help investment managers store private keys for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin with the help of sub-custodian NYDIG, according to the vice chair of the bank. Guys, this is huge for a big bank to take this on, because it's going to cause the rest of the banks to consider following along with them, wanting to jump on the bandwagon, wanting to get in while it's the perfect time during these infancy stages of crypto when the prices are literally far less than half of their actual worth. This is the perfect time for institutions, companies, countries to get into crypto, because any money they do put into crypto, including yourself, will inevitably continue to go up over time. Guys, another article came out titled, Crypto Transactions Surge 706%. In Asia as institutional adoption grows. When it comes to cryptocurrency transactions, the region of Central and Southern Asia and Oceania is growing rapidly. Guys, it's not just the USA. A lot of countries across the entire world are getting into cryptos, with billions of people eventually going to inevitably be into crypto and possibly having to purchase cryptos in order to purchase anything in their everyday life. It is now the time to put money in, to put it in so you can see it go up over time versus having it stuck in the US dollar and literally depreciating every single day. With the transaction rate increasing every single day and the transaction fees decreasing every single day for the corporations that take it on, the companies that eventually start to offer it, the ones that currently offer it, it is inevitably the best choice for every single company to start accepting as a valid legal tender. Because we're currently seeing on the Ethereum charts an inverse head and shoulders. This is a very bullish symbol, and even though we're already at $3,600 for Ethereum, we will push up from there because I do see this on the charts, likely hitting $4,000 here very, very soon. And guys, we just broke $55,000 on the Bitcoin charts. Why? Because as I called it out, having seen that cup and handle formation on the charts, I was expecting this exactly to happen. And sure enough, just as I called out, it did. And we haven't seen these numbers on the Bitcoin charts since May. So guys, this is huge. It's a milestone. And you want to be positioned very well for the next few months, because historically, they are the most bullish months of the year. And guys, as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, we are headed up. We created a bullish flag and pennant, and then we're coming down a bit. If we come down enough, we will create an ascending triangle, which is a very bullish sign, and we are likely to have a breakout after this to the upside. Guys, you want to be ready for that. You want to be ready with some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out, and then to sell at the peak when I'm ready to sell. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. And also, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.